40 women are on the path of transforming their lives following their graduation from a self-reliance and success in business workshop in Anns Grove on the east coast of Demerara. Zanil Williams was there and spoke with some of the women about the benefits of the workshop.
It will be a great change for me because I have my business, and the way that I have been running it, that's not the way. And with the workshop that we did presently for the past 5 days, it had helped me so much.
With the teachings that we got from Sir Yuan, I'm going to implement that into what I'm doing to better it and be more successful.
It helps us to improve on our lifestyle. So I will try to better that and also try to create a plan to execute a business, whether it's in Anns Grove or out of Anns Grove, but try to advertise it and advise persons to create a business.
The 27th Self-Reliance and Success in Business Workshop held at the Ebenezer Congregational Church in Anns Grove gave the women the necessary steps to establish their own businesses or expand existing ones and shared life skills. First Lady Sandra Granger, the project's pioneer, said more requests are being made for these workshops. This, she noted, demonstrates that Guyanese women are ready to be more empowered countrywide.
Which tells me that women are interested in moving on and becoming self-sufficient and self-reliant and confident about themselves, both in the economic sense and in a personal sense.
Minister within the Ministry of Natural Resources, Mona Brooms, pointed out that the community was neglected under the previous PPP administration. Now, she explained, women are being given the opportunity to succeed.
Before 2015, there was not a Sandra Granger. Neither were there a David Granger, who believe and respect women throughout this country, regardless of your race or your religion.
The workshop is organized by the Office of the First Lady in collaboration with the Ministry of Social Protection and Interweave Solutions Guyana Incorporated. To date, 1,178 persons have benefited from this program. Zanil Williams for Info Hub.